Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on TCL 205. So in order to do this, we'll need to open the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's a few pictures. Now let's select each picture that we want to pack. Click on this plus button. Now change any archiving options, and the basic ones are to pick a name, pick the placement where you want to pack these files into, set the password for this archive, change the extension for this archive, delete files after archiving, or create solid archives. In advanced there will be more advanced settings, in the options there will be more options, and in a comment you can leave any description about this archive. When everything is set, click on OK, and our RAR file will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.